Hello and welcome back. If you haven't done already, please hit that subscribe button. You'll get notified of any new uploads we do. And if you like this video, at the end of it, smash that thumbs up button. That helps bring our videos up in the searches. So today, I'm going to talk to you about this. This is the Shuttle Pro version 2 by Contour Design. Doesn't look much. Works with Mac or PC. We'll plug it in and show you how good it is. So before you plug the unit into the computer, head over to the Contour Design website, download the software. Plug it into your computer, find this little icon, that'll open up the control panel. You can press the buttons on the unit and it will highlight the button that you've pressed and tell you what keystroke is on it, and on the comment section it'll tell you what that keystroke does. You can press that on all the buttons. You can see down here the ones that I've added to it, in and out. And then you've got the jog wheel in the middle. That turns left and right, and that's unlimited, that just spins round one way or the other. And then on the outside of the jog wheel you've got the shuttle wheel, and that's sprung loaded, and it's got 7 positions, so you have to set all 7 positions to a thing. Then you've got a couple of buttons down the bottom which you can, where it says action, you can just double click, put in your keystroke. Now I had trouble getting this to work for a start. Down this left hand column it's got all the programs, pre-loaded programs. Where it said Premiere Pro CC 2018, select that, delete it. After Effects, select it and delete it, and then come up to Global Applications, select that, then add in all your keystrokes for whatever button you want it on. When those programs were still down the left hand side, when I switched the program on, it just would not work as it should. Deleted the programs, or deleted the pre-installed things for the programs, and just run it on global settings, and it's been working perfectly ever since. So shut that down, and then you can open your application. Here's Premiere Pro. There's a little example using the jog wheel. I've got that set to zoom in the timeline, zoom in and out, as you can see. And then on the shuttle wheel on the outside where that's sprung loaded, I've got that to scrub through backwards and forwards. As you can see, it makes life quite easy. So that is the Shuttle Pro version 2. I very rarely touch the keyboard now, only if I'm putting in like any numerical values. Mouse in the right hand, Shuttle Pro in my left hand. Don't even have to touch the keyboard really. You'd be surprised the amount of time it actually saves when editing. Once you've learnt where all the buttons are, you can program, as I said on the thing, you can program what keystrokes you want putting into what button. It really is that simple, but it saves so much time when you're editing, it's not even funny. So I'll put a link in the description below where you can get it from, and well recommend it. I love it. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.